Hey everybody, this video we're going to make a fish and rice in the rice cooker. It's like a one-pot meal. And we got frozen tilapia fillets here. Got them rinsed off and everything. And we got some butter, sriracha, soy sauce, rice, and water. And real easy. It takes about 30 minutes. First thing is just to get the butter melting in the rice cooker. You want to do that before you put the water in there. So I've already got the rice cooker actually plugged in so it's heating up. So we'll let the butter melt here, and then I'll set a tripod up and I'll show you the rest of it. Alright, so our butter is pretty much melted here. Spread around, just keeps the rice from bubbling over and helps it with sticking. Maybe even adds a little bit of flavor too. And next step we'll do here is I'm just doing cooking for one here, so I'm just going to do water up to the 1 cup there, and 1 cup of rice, and we'll just toss our frozen tilapia fillets in here. These are the ones that come like vacuum sealed individually, and so those in there, put the lid on, and then we're just going to just turn the rice cooker on and just let it cook here. It takes about 25 minutes, and we'll pull it out, add the sriracha and soy sauce, and have a pretty easy meal for one person. You have a college kid or bachelor or just feeling lazy or whatever. So anyway, we'll be back in about 25 minutes and we'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so that took about 25 minutes to cook here. And go ahead and get it scooped out. And be careful here because it's hot, steam's hot. And just mix it up here and you just kind of break the fish up. And you can season it however you want, salt, pepper, whatever. I like soy sauce and sriracha on mine. So, some soy sauce in there. And some sriracha. Alright, and so mix it all up, and there you go. Pretty easy, only one pot to clean up, and whatever bowl you eat it in. So it's a real simple meal, really cheap as well. Rice and frozen tilapia is about as cheap as it gets. I guess questions or comments, put them in the comments. I pretty much answer everything. Only thing I ask, if you're going to be mean, at least try to be funny. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.